Tired of looking like you just walked out of the wilderness? We have got you covered with the top 5 electric shavers for men that will turn your stubble struggles into a smooth success. These shavers are powerful, precise, and won't leave you looking like you battled a lawnmower. For more information on any of the electric shavers listed in this video, check out the links in the description box down below. Ready to say goodbye to shaving misshapes and hello to a clean, fresh look? I would leave it to Ben to guide us through the best electric shavers to keep your face feeling fantastic.
Thanks, Tom. Number 5, Braun Series 9, Pro 9 465cc Best Overall. The Braun Series 9 Pro isn't just an electric shaver, it's a shaving powerhouse that makes you feel like you're wielding a luxury gadget worthy of a secret agent. Right from the first grip, you can tell it's premium. Solid, sleek, and built to last. It's like the James Bond of shavers. Smooth, sophisticated, and ready for action. The Pro Lift trimmer is where the magic happens, especially if you're not exactly shaving every day. This trimmer lifts and slices through longer hairs with ease, so you can go from rugged to refined in no time. Pair that with 5 synchronized shaving elements, and you're getting a close, super smooth shave in record time. Braun even claims this shaver can capture more hair in one stroke than the competition. And honestly, they're not just blowing hot air here. Then there's the sonic technology, which brings in 10,000 micro vibrations to help the shaver glide effortlessly across your face, practically singing as it goes. It's like a mini massage that leaves you with a gentle, irritation-free finish, even if your skin's on the sensitive side. Plus, the AutoSense technology adjusts the power based on your beard's thickness. So whether you're sporting light stubble or a thicker beard, it adapts like a pro. The Clean and Charge station is a lifesaver, taking care of cleaning, lubricating, drying, and charging all in one go. This shaver's waterproof too, so feel free to take it into the shower or use it dry, whatever suits your morning routine. Now let's talk downsides. This beauty isn't cheap, and the price might raise an eyebrow. And while it's worth every penny for those premium features, replacement parts like foils can also be a bit pricey. In the end, the Braun Series 9 Pro is like the ultimate gadget for anyone serious about a top-notch shave. With cutting-edge tech, exceptional performance, and all the bells and whistles, it's a shaver that makes you feel like you're living the high life, even if you're just shaving for a regular workday. This version adds humor and a sense of luxury while highlighting the features and quirks, making it relatable and engaging. Number 4, Panasonic Arc5, Best for Precision Shaving. If you're someone who takes shaving seriously and demands precision, the Panasonic Arc5 is definitely worth a closer look. This shaver is designed with a level of sharpness and control that really makes a difference for those looking for a smooth, close shave. One of the most impressive features of the Panasonic Arc5 is its 5-blade system. These ultra-sharp nanotech blades are angled at 30 degrees, which allows them to cut hair cleanly and efficiently at the root. You'll really notice the difference in how close this shaver gets, especially around tricky areas like the jawline or neck. The powerful 14,000 cycles per minute linear motor ensures the blades move quickly and consistently, which not only provides a fast shave, but also reduces the chance of pulling or tugging on your hair. Another thing I love about this shaver is its multi-flex pivoting head. It glides smoothly over the contours of your face, adjusting to different angles without missing any spots. It's also equipped with a built-in pop-up trimmer that's perfect for detailing sideburns or getting a clean edge around your beard. On the downside, one common issue noted by several users is that it might feel a bit bulky compared to other models, which could take some getting used to, especially if you have smaller hands. Also, some have mentioned that while the Arc5 excels at precision, it may not perform as well on very thick or coarse hair, sometimes requiring multiple passes. However, with a runtime of 40 minutes on a full charge and a 5-stage LED display that keeps you informed on the battery level, it's convenient and efficient for daily use. Plus, it's fully waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or clean it easily under running water. Number 3, Braun Series 7701cc, Best for Daily Use. If you're someone who shaves regularly and needs a reliable tool that's gentle on the skin while still offering great performance, the Braun Series 7 could be the perfect fit for you. This shaver is all about comfort and consistency, and it's packed with features that make daily grooming feel effortless. One of the things I love about the Braun Series 7 is its Auto Sense technology. It automatically adapts to the density of your beard, adjusting the power to give you a more comfortable and efficient shave. Whether you have thick or thin hair, it senses the difference and works accordingly, so you're not left with uneven patches or irritation. The flex head on this model moves in 8 different directions, meaning it adjusts to the contours of your face with ease. This feature makes sure you get a smooth shave, even in tricky areas like your neck and jawline. Plus, it's got a precision trimmer built in, which is perfect for detailing your sideburns or trimming around a beard. Another huge perk is the clean and charge station that comes with it. This docking system cleans, lubricates, and dries the shaver after each use, so it's always ready for your next shave. It's like having a fresh new shaver every day. Now, on the downside, some users have mentioned that it doesn't always provide the closest shave compared to higher-end models, especially if you have very coarse hair. It might take an extra pass or two to get that perfect result, but for daily use, the comfort and speed make up for it. Overall, the Braun Series 7 is an excellent option if you're looking for a dependable, easy-to-use shaver for your daily routine. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Number 2, Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige Best Rotary Shaver. If you're someone who prefers a rotary shaver and values a premium, comfortable experience, the Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige is one of the best options out there. Right away, you'll notice the sleek design and quality feel in your hand. It's clear that this shaver is built to last. One of the standout features of the Philips Norelco is its nanotech precision blades. These blades are reinforced with nanoparticles, making them ultra-durable and extremely sharp. The result? A super close shave that glides smoothly over your skin, cutting hairs right at the base without any pulling or irritation. Plus, with skin comfort rings coated with anti-friction material, you'll find it's incredibly gentle, even on sensitive skin. Another feature I really like is the Beard Adapt sensor, which adjusts the shaver's power depending on the thickness of your beard. This makes it versatile for different facial hair types and lengths, offering a tailored experience whether you have light stubble or a dense beard. The rotary heads move in 8 different directions, which means it adapts to every curve of your face and neck for a close, even shave every time. On the downside, some users have noted that the battery life isn't as long as they'd like, especially considering it's a premium model. You get about 60 minutes of runtime after a full charge, which is generally enough for a few shaves, but not as much as some other options in the same price range. Also, a few users have pointed out that the replacement heads can be a bit pricey. However, if you're looking for a premium rotary shaver that delivers on both performance and comfort, the Philips Norelco 9000 Prestige is hard to beat. Number 1, Remington F5 5800, most affordable. If you're looking for a budget-friendly electric shaver that doesn't skimp on performance, the Remington F5 5800 is worth considering. It strikes a good balance between cost and features, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable shave without spending too much. One of the standout features of this shaver is its intercept shaving technology, which sits between the 2 flexible foils. This is designed to pre-trim longer hairs, ensuring that the overall shave is smooth and even. For me, this makes a big difference in achieving a close shave, especially if I've skipped a day or two between grooming sessions. The 2 flexible foils adjust well to the contours of your face, and the pivoting head moves around easily, giving you a more comfortable shave without irritation. What really adds to the convenience is the cordless option, which gives you about 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's enough for roughly 20 days of shaving, assuming you're using it daily. And if you're in a hurry, the 5-minute quick charge feature is a lifesaver, giving you just enough juice for a full shave. However, being a budget option, it does come with a few limitations. One downside I've noticed is that it doesn't provide as close of a shave as some of the high-end models, particularly if you have coarse hair. Some users have also reported that it struggles with finer, thinner hair, requiring a few extra passes. But at this price point, the Remington delivers well, especially if you're looking for something that performs well for the cost. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and offers decent performance for everyday shaving needs. So, which of these electric shavers do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like it's easier than deciding which electric shaver to buy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Until next time.